Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to blur a face in CapCut. This is a super simple and effective way to protect someone's privacy in your videos, whether it's for a vlog, tutorial, or any kind of content you're making. Let's jump right in. First, open up CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Now, let's start by adding the blur effect to the video. To do this, tap on the Effects button at the bottom of your screen. Then, choose Video Effects and look for the Basics section. In this section, you'll find the blur effect. Just click on it to apply it to your video. Once the blur effect is added, you might want to tweak how strong or weak the blur is. Simply select the blur effect on your video and tap Adjust. Here you'll be able to increase or decrease the intensity of the blur to get it just right. You can make it super strong if you need to hide something clearly, or lighter if you just want a subtle blur. Play around with it to see what works best for your video. Next, we need to make sure we can mask the face you want to blur. The trick here is to duplicate your video. So, select the video on the timeline and tap the duplicate button. Once you've copied the video, click on the Overlay button at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to add the duplicated video as an overlay on top of the original video. Now, select the overlay video and you'll see an option for mask. Tap on that, and you'll have a few different shapes to choose from. For blurring a face, the circle mask is usually the best option, so select that. You can now adjust the size of the mask by dragging the little arrows to fit it over the face you want to blur. Take your time to ensure the mask is covering exactly what you want. If the person's face is moving during the video, you'll need to make sure the blur follows them. This is where keyframes come in. Start by placing your timeline at the beginning of the video and tap on the keyframe button. The keyframe button is located at the right side of the pause button. Its icon is in diamond shape. This locks the position of your mask at the start. Then, move the timeline forward a bit, and if the face is moved, you'll need to adjust the mask's position. Tap on the mask again and move it so it stays over the face. Repeat this process throughout the video, adding keyframes every time the face moves, so the blur always follows the person's face. It might take a little time, but it ensures the blur stays exactly where it's needed. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in CapCut. It's a great way to maintain privacy or simply add a cool effect to your videos. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.